attention and your hurt for. Let me take the burden when you will be ready to let me go, to let me do my job, and I will get wonders on wonders. The higher your aims will be, the better will be. I don't have limits or bounds. You will see that you can get what you want with your soul and my force. We won't lose our faith. Come and feel life with my life, and I will see amazing things, and I will see amazing, amazing things. Easy your attention and your hurt for. Let me take the burden when you will be ready to let me go, to let me do my job, and I will get wonders on wonders. The higher your aims will be, the better